Okay, thank you. This is the system login page. So whenever you got the user login, you will refer to this page. So please enter your username and the password. And for security reasons, the system is required all the user to create your new password for every 90 days. So if you do not enter or log in the system for more than 90 days, the system will deactivate your user. So you will need to contact our support team to activate your user again. And if you forgot your password or you enter your password incorrect for more than 5 times, your user login will be locked by the system. And also, you will need to contact our support team to reset your password. So when you contact our support team will reset a password for you, and you will receive an email with the password, with the temporary password. So you use the temporary password to log into the system. And after that, you need to create your own password on the first time login. And please be aware, your temporary password is valid for 30 minutes only. Okay, once you got the password, and then you click on sign in. And then you will go to the system page. Before you go to the system page, you will need to set up a passcode. You in the passcode, and then when you set up the user login, and we will send you the document to show you how you can set up your passcode. This is due to the security reason. You can select receive your passcode through your mobile phone, SMS, or you will receive a phone call by your waiting desk phone. After you receive the passcode, you enter your passcode, and then you will able to go into the system. And this is the system homepage. And from the homepage, you will see the availability snapshot, a quick snapshot for the coming 30 days. So when you click on the monthly snapshot, this area will extend, and you will able to see the coming 30 days availability. So the number here represents how many rooms you are available to sell of your hotel. And there's a pricing here. This is your hotel lowest pricing to the highest pricing of the date. Okay. Okay, the first function we are going to talk is about the daily manager. Daily manager is the area for hotel to control the hotel inventory, update the number of rooms, and set up to update a period of time of the number of inventory and the open and close. So from the top-up menu here, you start with the manage here, and then followed by availability, and then followed by daily manager. So from a daily manager here, you will find this hotel inventory here. So this is represented how many rooms you are available to sell of your hotel, and the status. And then followed by it is the availability, the inventory of each room type. So if hotel is full of house on, for example, on the 25th of September, no rooms available. And so you just simply, under hotel inventory here, you just simply click on close to change the status from open to close, and then click save. And the availability on the 25th of September will be closed. And if you would like to change the number of rooms for different room type, for example, for the deluxe room, on the 24th of September, I have 80 rooms available. But right now I only have 60. So I can directly type in 60 here and click on Save. So the number of deluxe room will be changed to 60. If your hotel would like to change for the inventory for a longer period of time, you do not need to update it day by day. You may click on inventory here under the room type. There's a green button, inventory. There's another page pop out. And then you may select the room type that you would like to update. For example, I would like to select deluxe room and the superior room together. So you select the start date, for example, the 1st of October until the 10th of October. So, and then update the inventory. I only have 5 rooms for each room type. Then I enter 5, and then click on Save and Close. So you will see the room inventory over day range update successfully. So, and then we click on the calendar. Okay, go to the 1st of October. So you will find that the deluxe room has been changed to 5 rooms, and the superior room also changed to 5 rooms as well. And also, if you would like to close out a specific room type for a period of time, for example, the 2-bedroom premier pool villa, okay, click on the open and close here under the 2-bedroom premier pool villa. Okay, select the start date and the end date that you would like to close out. For example, the 1st to the 3rd of October, and then change the status to closed. And then click Save and Close. So the status for the 2-bedroom premier pool villa has been closed. Okay, the next one we will talk about is about the status. Currently, you will find there's 2 status. One is closed out status, and the other one is open. So when hotel have 1 room left, the hotel will keep on open status. If the last room has been booked, so the inventory will turn to 0. So the system will automatically turn the status into show out. So what is the difference between show out and closed? For show out, if hotel receive any cancellation for a specific day, for example, the 4th of October, hotel receive a cancellation for a deluxe room. So the canceled inventory will be fold back into the pool. So, and then it will turn back into 1, the inventory 1. But if hotel say that I am fully booked on the deluxe room for the 4th of October, so any cancellation, I do not want the inventory fold back into the system, then hotel need to change the status from to the closed instead of sold out. Do remember, whenever you change any status, you need to click Save in order to update it. So this is the daily manager. It is an easier way for you to update the inventory and the hotel status. Okay, the next area we would like to talk about is the rate configuration. This is the area for hotel to set up the rate, to update the rate and the promotion and the price. So we go to the menu setup here, and then followed by rates and the rate configuration. So most of the hotel, all the rate is set up here, and most of the hotel you will find you have a base rate set up in the system. So do remember, do not delete the base rate, because all your promotion is linked up with your base rate. So whenever you update your base rate, all the linked up promotion will update automatically. So you will find the code for our base rate has a default setup, which is NN84. And you will find all your promotion rate is linked up to NN84. So for example, your bar rate is derived from NN84. The early bird promotion is derived from NN84. Okay, and here you will see there's some icon. For the pencil icon, it is mean edit. And for the rubbish bin, it is deleted. So do not click on the delete icon. If you click it, the whole rate plan will be deleted. Okay, we click on edit to have a look of the base rate. So a base rate is a system rate. It will not show up in your system. For booking engine, it will not show up in the front end. For the GDS hotel, it will not show up in the GDS system, just a system rate. Okay, so that's why the description we just simply put on a base rate. Okay, and we go to the assignment. You can assign which room type you would like to assign for the base rate. Usually, we will assign all the room type to the base rate. Okay, and the next one, we'll go to have a look on the rate pricing to enter or update the rate for your base rate. So under the related task here, you will see rate pricing here. That's a shortcut, rate pricing. So click on rate pricing, you will find your base rate here. And current, the base rate is valid until the 31st of December only. So how to extend your rate for next year? Okay, at the end of here, you will find there's a green button called Add Season. Click on Add Season, and under day range area, select the start date. Okay, next year, the 1st of January, okay, until the December of 31st for the whole year. And then enter the rate. And then click Save. Okay, you see season was successfully created. That means your season for next year has been successfully created. Okay. When you click Cancel to go back to the previous page, you will see the season has been set up for next year. So we noticed that sometimes hotel may have different season with different rates. Okay, this is the whole year rate. If you would like to insert a new rate or a new season in between, you just simply click on Add Season. Okay, and then select the date. For example, okay, February, from the 1st to February 15. I have another new set of rate. Okay, I enter the rate again. And then click Save. Okay, successfully create. So the system will automatically insert your new season in between. Okay, and then we go back to the rate configuration. Okay, let's have a look on the bar rate, best available rate. You will see this is divided from the base rate. Okay, we click on the edit icon. Okay, from the bar rate, you will see that it is under a standard rate category. It is a public rate because it is able to book by everyone. and then you will need, the system is require a code for your rate plan, and this is the rate plan name. So I know some hotel has been integrated with your PMS. So if you integrate with your PMS, the PMS code area, you need to enter a code, but this will need to match with your PMS system. So you may need to check with your PMS support. Okay, and then followed by, if your hotel is a GDS hotel, do remember to put your rate into one of the category. For the bar rate, we will under promotional rate. If it is a promotional, it is definitely under promotional rate category, and it will show up in the GDS in different category. Okay, followed by is the description update. You may review your rate if the breakfast or Wi-Fi or anything is included for your rate. So input into the description, the long description. Do remember, for the long description, what you have input here, it will show up into the confirmation. So on the right-hand side, the rate attribute. If your rate is include tax and service charge, do remember to check this box. If your rate is include breakfast, also you need to check this box and then select what kind of breakfast is included. And for GDS hotel, do remember to check the commissionable box and then select your preferred commission. So the standard will be 8%. So this commission setup is not the commission to Compass Age. It is the commission to the GDS travel agent. The GDS travel agent is booked on behalf of the guest. So the commission is hotel offer to the GDS travel agent. So you need to let the agent know that how much percentage commission you offer to them. So this is the area to set it up. And then scroll down, you will find that the rate is derived from which rate plan. As I just mentioned, all the rate is derived from the base rate. So you just need to select derived from the base rate. And then complete the setup of your detail page. Click on Save. So the update is successful. So the next step is go to the description page. So for this system, it is support different language. So if your hotel is using our booking engine, you may double check if your preferred language is already included. So for example, this test hotel, they have included simplified Chinese and traditional Chinese. So if you would like to update your rate description in simplified Chinese, you just change the language here and then update the description here in traditional Chinese. So if you would like to update it by Japanese, just change to Japanese and then update the Japanese from the booking engine description here. The rate plan in Japanese and the rate plan, and the description for the rate plan in Japanese. And do remember to click Save when you complete the update. So the system will not automatically translate for you. So you need to find your way to translate to the other language and input it into here. Okay, the next tab need to update is the assignment. Which room type you would like to assign for your bar rate? And then you move it from the left to the right. And then followed by which channel you would like to assign for your bar rate. So usually we will check the box of booking engine, GTS, IDS, and the mobile web. Okay, and followed by what kind of policy you would like to assign to your bar rate. Each system has a default policy set up when we set up the system. So if you did not set up any default policy here, you did not set up any specific policy here, this rate plan will follow the default policy. So if you would like to set up a special policy for this rate plan, for example, cancel within 24 hours is allowed. Then you select 24 for 24 hours. And any guarantee, for example, is a guarantee or deposit, it is a refundable or non-refundable, or a full deposit. You may select from here. And then click on Save to complete the setup. Okay, the next step, we will need to go to the rate pricing to set up the rate season. Okay, for the test hotel, we have already set up since the March 20 last year with low end date. So what is the why we set up with the low end date? So do remember we have a base rate. Just now all the rate is set up under base rate. So that means, and for bar rate, we will suggest to set up no end date. So that means whenever base rate have rate, you do not need to extend the end date of your bar rate. So base rate is have rate available, your bar rate will be visible. Okay, so that you will know that whenever you need to update the rate, you will go into rate pricing. And there is a shortcut from the menu system to go to the rate pricing. You just click on manage here, and then click on availability, and then followed by rate pricing. So under rate pricing, on the left-hand side, the filter panel, under the rates section, you will find all your rates is available here. So if you would like to update your base rate, you just simply click on the base rate and click on January view. And then you will easily go to rate pricing to update your rate instead of going to rate configuration, click on edit and click on rate pricing. This is a easier way for hotel to update it. Okay, the next one. I would like to show you, for example, how to set up or edit a promotion. Let's take an example for the early bird promotion. So this early bird promotion we have set up before that previously, and it has been expired. Right now, I would like to set up again. So I will use the same rate template. So I click on the edit icon. Okay, and the promotion name, maybe I would like to change to 30% and just book in 5 days in advance. Okay, at the description, I will update my promotion. So this is divided from the bar rate. So the 30% is from the bar rate. So include breakfast, welcome drink, Wi-Fi, etc. Okay, and then we scroll down. We need to set up some restriction because the promotion is need to book 5 days in advance. So we need to set up the restriction for the advance purchase for the minimum need days. Change to 5 days. And on the right-hand side, double check if the rate is include test or not, if it is include breakfast, and it is commissionable or not. And then followed by it is divided from our the base rate. If it is correct, okay. Please click on Save first to save the detail page. Okay, the next step, we'll go to description page to see if any language you would need to update. If you do not need to update, okay, just leave this page. Okay, going to the assignment. Which room type you would like to assign for your promotion? So for example, deluxe room, suite, superior room, and for pool villa, I would like to assign for this promotion. Highlight the pool villa and then move it to the right. And then scroll down to double check if I have assigned the promotion to all the channels. Do remember to check on the channels. And then scroll down, okay, to the policy assignment. What kind of policy I would like to assign? So I would like to assign a one day cancel policy. Okay, with the guarantee. One night. Okay, and then I complete my setup. Click on save. So the assignment page has been updated. And the next step, we go to the rate pricing to set up the rate season. Okay, you will find currently there's no season for the early bird promotion. So that means for booking engine or for GDS, this promotion not yet show up. So we click on add season, select the start date and the end date. For example, next year, October 31st. So, and the discount, I just updated the description is 30% off. So under the divided formula area here, I will enter minus 30. And then for the factor, we will change to percentage because I offer 30% discount. Then arrow down. So if some hotel would like to offer, for example, a minus $300 or 30 US dollar, you can just change the currency. Do remember to add a minus before your amount. Otherwise, you will be on top at 30% for your deluxe room. Okay? After complete the setup of the percentage, you make it save. Or some hotel will have different room type with different discounts. So you may also update it here. So for example, suite, I would like to offer 25% instead of 30. So you may update different discount here. But if you have different discount for different room type, so your rate description may need to make it clear to let the customer know that you with different room type have a different discount. And click on save. Okay, so the early bird promotion has been set up. Okay, the next one we'll talk about is about the policy. Just now for the rate plan, there's an area for assign the policy. And you just find that the policy is under different policy code. For example, 1D, G1N. Sometimes you may not know what is it represent for. Okay, so we will go to the setup, menu setup here, and then go to property, and then go to cancel policy. So you will find there's a list of policy has already set up. Some are under chain level, and some are under hotel level. For those policy under the chain level, it is available for all of our partners hotel. It is some common policy that most of the hotel will use. For some hotel, they may have some special policy apply for their hotel only. So they may set up that policy under their hotel for their hotel only. So that will be under hotel level. Okay. So for example, just now I have assigned a 1D policy to the early bird promotion. So 1D stand for cancellation within 1 day of arrival will charge 1 night. So, and this policy description will be showing up in the booking confirmation as well. And also for the booking engine hotel, it will show up in your hotel front end. So for example, a 6 p.m. MDP, that means this is the cancellation by 6 p.m. period to arrival. So before you set up your rate plan or before you assign your policy, you may refer to those details from the cancel policy sessions. Okay, the next one is talking about the guarantee policy. So it is also under setup, property, and guarantee policy. So, and same with cancel policy, we have set up some train level and some hotel level policy. And also here is also the description for each policy. You may review it before assign the policy. Okay, the next part I would like to show you is called a function called pricing view. Okay, we go to the manage here and then availability and pricing view. So what is the function for this one? Sometimes when some of the hotels will say I have set up a promotion, but the promotion not show up in the hotel front end, but they don't know why, because they have set up the promotion step by step according to our advice, but finally they don't know why it is not show up. And the pricing view function is a good function for you to check what happened. So for example, I enter the arrival date, October, okay, 3rd to October 6th. Okay. You may select the adult or child, and then you may select to view by some specific room type. For example, the 2-bedroom and the deluxe room. If you are not check this box, all the room type will be show up. And then which rate plan you would like to check. So for example, the bar rate and the early bird. Okay, deluxe room and 2-bedroom, just an example. And click check availability. So the system will show the availability result, unavailable result, and unavailable result. Okay, available result, no result. So we go have a look on the unavailable result. So the bar rate, deluxe room. Okay, the 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So why the rate plan not showing up? Because the room for deluxe room, this is for the deluxe room result, is closed. So that's why it will not showing up. So under room control level, that means the room type, the deluxe room type has been closed out on this day. Okay. And for the 2-bedroom premier pool villa, also the failure result is the room control closed. That means the room type has been closed and not available to sell on the 3rd. And for the early bird promotion, okay, for the deluxe room, also the deluxe room has been closed on the 4th. And also for the promotion, you will able to see the pricing breakdown here. So the pricing for the deluxe room is $200, and then minus 30%. That is minus adjustment amount will be minus 60. So the selling rate will be 140. So from this part, you will able to know what kind of restriction you have set up and make the rate plan not showing up in your booking engine. So it is a good function for a hotel to cost track on this. Okay, the next one we would like to talk about is about the dynamic packaging. Okay, we go to the setup and then package with package setup. Okay, the dynamic packaging is the area for a hotel to have some add-on item offered to your guests to select. So for example, the most common one will be the airport pickup, or if hotel have some dinner or some activities, or even gala dinner or spa, etc., you may set up under here. And this is a add-on item for the guests to select. So take an example, the airport pickup. You may, under the airport pickup category, you may set up different kind of airport pickup car, for example, a car or a van. So you may upload your image of your car and then the description, and then is it available all days, and then what is the pricing for your car pickup. So at any blackout day, for sure the airport pickup do not have any blackout day, but maybe sometimes for your dinner or maybe for your spa, you may, or some activity, you may have some blackout not available for that day. So you may add the blackout day for this dynamic packaging. Okay, the next part we will talk about is about the pre-stay email and a post-stay email. In this system, we are able to set up some system generate email. Besides of the booking confirmation, we can set up the pre-stay email and the post-stay email for the hotel. So for this pre-stay email, we can set up, the hotel can decide that how many days before the guest arrival you would like to send an email to the customer to remind them their booking, or you would like to have some upsell or any important points you would like to remind your guests. And this is our standard template. And if hotel would like to set up and have your own template, you may let us know. And then we can update for your hotel. And for the post-stay email, it is an email that sent out to the customer after they check out. Also, hotel can decide that how many days you would like to send out. The system will automatically send out. So it's like a thank you email, advise the guests, maybe to share some experience on TripAdvisor or in the social media, etc. And another point is hotel can set up some special promotion to encourage them to come back with, and then your hotel with offer a more greater discount. So this is we have mentioned previously, it is called a repeated guest program. And the hotel can set up a repeated guest rate plan in your system and then include a secret code here. So when the guest next time, when they come back to the hotel, they can use this code to book your hotel with more discount. So, and again, if you would like to set up the post-it email, this is just our standard template. For sure, you can add more in the template and you can let us know. We can set up for your hotel. And going back to the repeated guests, hotel can set up a hidden rate plan in your hotel booking engine. So the guests only got this code and they will, the hidden rate plan will be show up. Okay, we go back to the rate configuration. Okay, this is the repeated guest special offer. The setup which is the same with all the promotion, and the only difference is we have set up the rate plan as confidential. Okay, so that means normally when the guests search for the hotel booking engine, this rate plan will not show up unless they enter the promo code. So I know that some of the hotel is using the channel manager system. So should hotel would like to connect the Synesys system to this system with your channel manager system, so hotel may contact us and then we will check with our team to see if your system is able to integrate with the system. So majority, some common channel manager system is able to connect like SiteMinder, Rating, etc. So if you would like to know yours is able to connect or not, you may let us know. Okay? And thank you.